Porsche Macan, we have to remove the engine mounting and gear mounting. This is the engine mounting for right side. This is the left side engine mounting. So we have to remove and install the steering rack. First we have to remove the steering rack, this electrical steering rack. This is the steering rack. We have to remove. Second position, we are removing this control arm, truss arm, suspension. We have to remove the suspension, both sides, left side and right side. We have to remove the suspension. And third position, we have to remove the axle. Just to remove from this side, just to remove the axle, both side, left side and right side. We have to remove axle. First, remove from this side, inner side. Fourth position, we have to remove the down subframe. We already supported from the engine. We have to remove this subframe. This is the fourth position. First position, steering rack remove. Second position, suspension remove. Third position for the axle, both side axle, left and right axle, inside, inner side remove. Fourth section for removing for the subframe. We are removing subframe. Removing for subframe. So we are remove out subframe. So we remove. Fourth step for subframe remove. Fifth step, you can see the engine mounting. See, already is damaged. Mounting already damaged. You can see. Still, see, already finished damage here. Mounting is both side. Okay, already damaged. We have to replace now this one. This fifth step. See, we already removed the mounting. See, the mounting is totally damaged. It's totally damaged. This is the old one. This is the new one. This is perfect. This is the new one. This is the old one. It's already damaged. The simple way of changing for the Porsche Macan, engine mounting and gear mounting. The simple step. This is the two engine mounting, this one for the gear mounting. This is the old one. This left side one, it's a engine mounting board, this one. You can use 80 number box also, Alangi also you can use. And this side, left side, already is damaged, but not that much. Right side is too much damage. It's too much damage. So that's why you're getting vibration. Porsche Macan. This is area. Both side. You can see already damage is here. Mounting oil all is gone out. Like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.